Hello guys, here is I have iPhone 12 Pro. Screen's cracked and back also cracked, but customer want to fix only front. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the front screen. Apply some heat on top. With the open spray tool, lifting up a little bit and put some alcohol on side. We are almost done. Put some alcohol here and lifting up the left side. Now we're gonna open speaker connection and LCD connection and remove the battery. So first we're gonna remove the screen connection. There is 4Y screw. This one is a little bigger screw than other three. Remove the plate. Now we're gonna remove the screen connection. There is 2 screws, you have to remove it. And remove this plate. Now you're gonna remove the battery connection. This is the battery connection. Now you're gonna remove the screen connection. There is 2 connection. Now you're gonna remove the speaker connection. So now we're gonna remove the speaker. There is 4 screw, 2 is Y and 2 is star. This 2 is star. Lifting up the speaker, and now we're gonna put some heat on behind. With the finger, we just lifting up a little bit slowly. Yes, you see, it's come out easily. You cannot do rush here. There is new screen. We're gonna remove the plastic on top. Now we're gonna install the speaker. First we're gonna put this microphone. Then there is sensor. With the finger we just press it down. And there is another sensor. We're gonna press it down here. Now top of that we're gonna put the speaker and install the 4 screw. This 2 is star and those 2 is Y screw. Now you're gonna install the screen and connect the speaker connection and then connect the LCD connection, and last we're gonna connect battery connection. Now you're gonna turn on the phone, check the screen, make sure it's working properly. Swipe up, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Start their hash. Yes, it's working fine. Now we're gonna put it back. Speaker cover plate. First we're gonna put the big screw one. This one is a little bit bigger than other three. We are done here. Now we're gonna put the LCD and battery connection cover plate. There is two screw. We have to put it back. There is the last one. Now we're gonna install the screen. First we're gonna put on top side, then we're gonna do left side, and then I'm gonna do right side, and then I'm gonna do bottom side. Now we're gonna put the bottom screw. There is two screw. We have to put it. Here the plastic. Swipe up. Everything is good. Thank you for watching.